Hi, this is Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have quite the array here, and this is the journal kit that I have put together for September for the junk journal project with me that we're going to be doing together. As you can see, it's kind of a Halloween autumn themed. We're going to be doing a 5x8 soft cover 40-page journal, just enough pages to successfully journal about our October. So I'm so excited to share with you what will be in the kit, and you can click on the link in the description box below to purchase it. So here we go. I am so excited. All right, so we have, I've laid it out all pretty and now I want it organized. So let's start with the cover. As you know, if you've done my kits before, there's variations in colors and things like that, but the color scheme for this month is like reds, oranges, purples, blacks. So here is a gray cover. This will be the kit I'm working with. You'll get one similar, and it's just a heavy cardstock. So this is going to be the base. And then we have our pages. So we have this page from Digital Curio. Go over to her Facebook group, and she has a freebie, Halloween freebie, and she's allowing us to use this in her kit. So you'll get this printed out, and she has more Halloween stuff to come. So I just think this one is so elegant in a creepy way. I love it. So this is the main page that's going to be in our kit. And then there's going to be 4 pages of coffee dyed paper. There's going to be a highlights children's magazine page from one of the October issues from either the 60s or the 70s. That will be an October theme. So nice vintage patina going on there. You'll get another book page that'll have something to do with fall time or Halloween. This is the one I have. And then you'll have just like a solid color, and then 2 pages from Grey's Anatomy. And I thought that's super cool. Really neat illustrations as well. So I have that. That will be the base of your journal. And now we have stuff to decorate it with. You'll get a piece of upholstery fabric and a piece of lace curtain. My mom gave me a lace curtain to cut apart. It's really beautiful. And then Lori Louise gave me a whole pile of upholstery fabric, and a lot of them are colors that match this journal, so I'm excited to be sharing little bits with you, and we'll be decorating and making pockets or stuff with those. So you'll get that. You'll get a couple pieces of Indian fabric. It's not sari silk, it's actually polyester. It's from a rug that I took apart. You'll get 3 pieces. It was made in India, and then the color scheme will be similar. You'll get ones that will go well with Halloween and October. You'll get a piece of sari ribbon for the closure, and it's in this color. It's kind of like this burnt orange tan color. And then we have some printables from Digital Collage Club. You're just going to get a sample from her Halloween stuff. Go to www.digitalcollageclub.com to get the whole thing and many more. So you're going to get 2 mini postcards. I've printed her things on 110-pound ivory cardstock. It really makes the images pop in a vintage way, and then they're ready to go. You cut them out, you ink them, clip them in. They make really good tuck spots. So you'll get 2, and they'll vary, but you'll get 2 postcards, 2 creepy journal cards, and 3 creepy mason jars. So that's super awesome. Those are all from Digital Collage Club. And then this is a freebie that I found this, and it is a vintage pumpkin naturalist botanical illustration, and it is free over on my Facebook page. So go to Nevermore Creations, Junk Journals, and Friends to grab it, but you'll get a printed copy of it to use in this journal. And then this is also from Digital Curio, and they're just some ephemera that we're going to be putting in there. Some creepy book pages, Edgar Allan Poe, a little lace pocket corner. So super excited about that. And then we have an exclusive Halloween journal cards. You can only get these if you buy this kit. It's called Osteographica. And what I've done here is sprayed it with red tulip glimmer mist to make it look a little bit like a blood spatter. If that bothers you, then when you write in the notes section when you purchase this kit, just say no glimmer mist or no blood splatter, and I'll know what you mean, and I'll just have them plain. But they're all these vintage. We're going to be making journal cards with them together. So we have coffee dyed paper to back them with. but there's 12 different ones, and it's from a very old book, and it's just skeletons of different animals and people, but they're not really that creepy. They're actually, some of them are kind of cute, like this little chameleon. So I tend to not go too terribly creepy. So that's what we got there. So that's quite a bit you get there. Oh, there's one more page right there. And then you get a little baggie full of goodies. And what you get is five extra goodies, and they're going to vary. I have a die cut here that says Dream. I have a black label, a skull and crossbones, some fall leaves, and a little piece of ephemera that says Chloroform. So you'll get, yours will be different. And then just a bunch of laces and trims that are blacks, purples, oranges, and reds. And then some brown cording or twine for sewing in the signature. So I'm going to have so much fun putting this together with you guys. I hope that you purchase it and craft along with me next month. If you are wondering about August's junk journal project with me, that is filming and going up by the end of the week. So I'm really, really excited about doing that stuffed bird ephemera bag. I still think I have a few of those left in my shop, so you probably want to check that out if you haven't bought one yet, because that video is coming out in the next couple of days, and I'm so excited. But I decided to do Halloween for next month, just even though Halloween is until the end of October, just so that there's plenty of time to make it and use it. So I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Have a lovely day.